Welcome to Luca Drive channel. In this video we present you a wonderful Alfa Romeo 155. The Alfa Romeo in the video is from 1996 and is a wide-body model. The wide-body model is wider than the normal 155 and gives the vehicle the DTM look, so the car looks very sporty. The sporty look, in combination with the green color from the factory, makes this Alfa Romeo 155 very special. What do you think about this color? Do you like it or not? The interior has the classic 90s look, but the whole interior is clean and well maintained. The seats offer good lateral support and the original Momo steering wheel feels great. The interior of this car also smells special and is a trip back in the time to the 90s. The car has the nice 16-inch Speedline 5-star rims installed and have spacers. The angular shape pleases me personally very well and gives this vehicle a great character. You are probably wondering what kind of engine is installed. This car has a 4-cylinder 1.8-liter twin-spark engine with 16 valves installed, which provides sporty 140 braking horsepower. The car has a 5-speed transmission and is basically in original condition, except for the coilover suspension, the spacers and the sport exhaust. I have told you a lot about the car. Let's now enjoy the beautiful sound of this Alfa Romeo 155 together, and I'm sure that your Cuore Sportivo will beat faster. One more thing, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Luca Drive channel, Italian cars and more.